Lesigcawu siqale ngokuthi kufundwe lonke uhlu lwamacala abhekene nenhloko yezindaba eSABC.
Notwithstanding clear terms of the relevant court order and the self-explanatory content of the correspondence from Mr. Mwako on 26 October 2021, you, through your conduct or omission, intentionally, alternatively, grossly neglected to discharge your fiduciary responsibilities to the SABC by allowing and or causing to be allowed by the SABC News and Current Affairs Program team to broadcast, air and or publish the interdicted special assignment investigative report concerning, I will not say the name because that is what is confidential, but this is a private entity.
Ummeli kaMagopeni uMotley Commission ukhombise isigcawu ubufakazi bokuthi uMagopeni wawukhipha umyalelo othi singadlalwa lesiqephu ku-special assignment.
There was a discrepancy on the coding of the episode chairperson, and now that discrepancy does not fall within her jurisdiction. And in our evidence will prove that that discrepancy is not her fault, chairperson. She at all times, she even disclosed it in a letter to the SABC on the 19th of November.
Kusona lesigcawu kube sekuvela ukuthi kunembiko ethi iningi lamalungu ebhodi le-SABC alihambisani nalesigcawu sokuthi uMagopeni aqondiswe izigwegwe.
If the majority of the board takes a decision, it becomes a resolution. For us to sit here and hear that the majority of an unnamed board doesn't want this hearing to proceed, it's actually derailing this process.
Inhloko yezomthetho eSABC uAdvocate Mthuthuzel Vanara ithi zathu uma ifika kuyo lezindaba zokusakazwa kodwabula lezivimbelo ezivele enkantolo wazama ukuxhumana nabathintekayo okufaka phakathi uPhathiswa Magopeni.
The hold of Melin, I then resort to dropping WhatsApp messages to G News to say, look, I've now been called by these lawyers.
Sike sathi ukuguqa lesigcawu njengoba usihlalo waso enxuso ukuthi zombili izinhlaka zike ibonisane ngasese kubonakale ukuthi angeke ikwazi yini ukulixazulula nokuyinto engazange ilunge. Uhlelo iSpecial assignment okuyilona hlelo okwadlalwa kusona lesiqephu sesisuse umsindo sidlala ku SABC 3. Isigcawu siyaqhubeka. NginguCalvin Dludla wezindaba zeSABC ngibika ngiseGoli.